Welcome to the technical introduction for the Nayati Gas Wok Range with blower model NGKB 890 W1. In this video, we'll cover unit identification, key installation points, a tour of the controls, and a look at the automatic ignition system. First, let's look at the nameplate located on the side of the unit. Here you can confirm the model NGKB 890 W1 and the unique serial number. It shows the gas power rating is 40 kilowatts with a required pressure of 28 to 30 millibars for G30 or LPG. The electrical requirement is 0.25 kilowatts or 250 watts on a 230-volt single-phase supply. Always verify this information before installation.
For installation, there are several key connection points. Here is the power cable for the single-phase electrical supply. The gas inlet is 1 inch in diameter, so you must use a corresponding 1-inch gas hose. The water inlet is a 1/2-inch connection. Finally, you will find the main drain, which is 1.5 inches in diameter. The front panel gives you full control over the unit. This is the main on-off power switch. There are 2 water taps. This one operates the main swivel faucet, while this one controls the spray nozzles for deck cooling, which helps keep the surface clean and cool. This is the main gas lever. Pushing it up opens the gas valve to ignite the main burner. The further you push it, the larger the flame. Below the power switch is the reset button. This is used to restart the ignition sequence if the unit enters an alarm state.
Looking down into the main chamber, you can see the powerful premix burner. Next to it is the pilot burner assembly. This assembly contains the flame sensor and the igniter, which creates the spark. The pilot gas is supplied from this line here. When the unit is turned on, the electronic controller will automatically try to light the pilot. You can hear the igniter sparking. Now let's simulate what happens if the gas is turned off. The system will make 2 attempts to ignite. If it fails to detect a flame both times, it will safely lock out and sound a gas alarm buzzer. To try again, you must press the reset button once. The system will then make another 2 attempts. If gas is still not available, it will go into alarm again.